case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
JP Morgan Chase Bank sued Datatreasury in 2016 for breach of contract, alleging a violation of their most favored nation (MFL) clause in their license agreement. The lawsuit stemmed from a 2005 settlement where JP Morgan Chase Bank admitted to willful patent infringement of Datatreasury's check processing patents. The court ruled in favor of JP Morgan Chase Bank and ordered Datatreasury to refund $69 million for overpayment under the retroactive terms of the more favorable Cathay license. The court rejected all of Datatreasury's affirmative defenses, including the statute of limitations, waiver, and estoppel.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.